let's put cover in books. So I bought this one, which is a transparent book cover. This is 10 meters and I got it for 120 rupees. MRP was 130, but then they gave it for 120 rupees. I bought it from a nearby stationery shop. So basically we got an instruction from the school to use transparent sheets to cover all the books, and then we need to send all the books to the school. So basically school will keep the books, and whenever there is any homework or anything, they will send only those specific ones at home. So now I'm going to cover this one, which is a activity book. So there are some 3-4 activity books that they gave for playgroup kids, and these are basically used as a homework. So they will mention the date, and then we need to get the homework done, and then we need to send the book again back to school the next day. So this one is the basically the first book that they are using it. There are many activities, like there will be alphabets written in a big size, and then you need to paint it using your fingers, using toothbrush, or maybe many other things are there. Actually, you need to paste papers, like tear paper activity. You need to tear paper and you need to paste it. You need to paste newspaper, and so many other activities are there. So these activities are mainly aimed at teaching the alphabets to the kid and numbers from 1 to 10. What I have heard is that the syllabus is almost same for nursery and playgroup kids. Now I don't know if the same books will be given for nursery as well, but this is what the teacher told. So these are the activity books, and everywhere we need to put these covers. So these are also having pencil practice activities that the kids need to do. Now to cover it, I will measure the size of the book and I will cut the paper the required size, keeping few inches more. And now this part I will insert it like this, and then I will make sure that there is nothing excess, and from the top also I will fold it and I will secure it over here. And once we are done with that, we need to properly secure it with the help of sellotape. If you talk about these sheets, right, what you use for covering books, you got many varieties online. There are even sheets which are ready to use. There will be tape given and you just need to uh, paste it in your book, which are quite easy. I will leave links for all those different types of sheets that you get in the description box below in case you want to check it out. But because we had to use and we had to cover these books, like we were given some 1 or 2 days hardly, so rather than ordering it online, I went to the nearby shop and then I bought it. And now this is morning time, by the way. My kid is still sleeping and I'm just putting covers everywhere so that I can send these books to school, because we got the second notification that by today we should be sending it because they want to keep the books at school. So I will secure it with sellotape from the down part, and now I will repeat the same process from the top also. I'm just checking that it is properly fitted or not. So it is properly fitted from the top part also. I will secure it with the help of few more sellotape. So this is the easiest way of putting cover in a book, because these are very thin books, so you can simply insert that part like this. So over here I have put 3-4 sellotapes, so 2 to each is enough to secure it properly. And then the same thing I'm going to repeat from the back side as well. So this activity that you can see is basically you have to put paint in your hand and then you have to print that. So similarly, there are many activities that kids are going to enjoy. By the way, my kid really loves these activity books and he do not like using the copy where teacher has asked to use only pencil and then she will give homework. He do not like that, but this activity book is something that he enjoys because there are many art and craft related things. So it's good for the kids because they get to experience different things, and also it is like interesting and engaging. Kids will love doing it. Once this is done, I will fold this part into a triangle, and then I will secure the triangle also with the help of sellotape. So I will put one sellotape here and one more over here. Again, I'm folding it like a triangle and then secure it with the help of a sellotape from this side also. Once we are done, we will fold this excess part that we have, and we will again use 2 or 3 pieces of sellotape, one from top, one from down, and one in the middle also you can put if that is required. When you talk about these transparent sheets also, there are many wherein there is like a print kind of a thing, and there is the plain one. There are a lot many varieties that are available online basically. So here I have put another piece to secure it from the top as well, and one more I will put at the center. So we are done from the back side, and we will repeat the same process from the front side. I will again fold it like a triangle, and then we will have to secure it. So just fold it like this, and I have secured it from the down part, and we'll repeat the same process from the top part as well. I will fold it, put our sellotape, and we are done. Now this excess part, what you can see, we will have to fold that part and again secure it. So I'll fold it like this, and here I will put a sellotape. I will put one more from the top side, and if you feel the need, you can use one more from the center so that it properly remains in place. So I'll put one more from here. So we are done. I just wanted to put one more. So we are done putting the sellotape. Now we will also have to use the label. So that is actually provided from the school itself. We have to put that so that they know whose book it is, as they are going to keep the books in school itself. So once this is done, we'll put the label, we'll have to write the name, the class, and then we'll have to send it to the school. So they gave few more. I think they gave around 8 books and copies, but labels are I think 12 or something. I'm just checking where I should put it, and then I decided to put it here, and we are done for the day.